Is a robber, give me your
Right,
money. Just calm down. Just take everything, anything you want and anything you need.
What is going on here? Hey! Hands up! Hands up! Put your hands up!
Sorry,
You're under
late.
arrest.
Hands up!
Put the gun down.
Right now.
Gun down. Get in there. Get in there.
Get in!
People like you shouldn't be here. You're gonna be here for a long, long time.
We mean a very, very long time.
We're talking 5 years. I don't know what you're gonna do. Bye-bye. Guard, open door 52, please. Thank you. Wake up! It's breakfast time! Follow me.
Oh, hell.
Follow me. I'm gonna start
Okay.
without breakfast. Follow me. Follow me. Don't mind him. He's building your gym equipment. But table number 2, right over there with the officer.
Okay.
Yo,
Hello,
how's the
criminal.
job going?
Today, you have
Very
2 MREs and a hot
Yeah.
cocoa. Eat it all.
Yeah, it's kind of stressing and the paperwork
Oh,
stuff. To do
shoot.
with paperwork.
Yeah.
And also,
Probably it took you like a very long time to build.
I have to take
How
care of
long did it
people
take you to
every-
build?
Only about a week. I'm just finishing it off nearly.
A week.
Nice.
Okay.
It looks good. It looks good.
I know.
Oh, now's my chance.
Yo, but still, let's.
Go
Green,
back to your
follow
cell
me.
now.
Yeah.
Open
yeah.
gate 53. Thank you. Your time is in 4:30, so like 2 hours from now. So
Yes.
gate 53. Come on, officer. Let's go. Let's go.
I think the guards are sleeping. I think I have my chance. Oh, I got.
Hey, sirens! He escaped! You put your
Oh my god!
hands up!
Get him!
Hands up! Green! Hands
Back
up!
here. Hands up! Right now!
Oh my god! Oh my god! He has a flamethrower! Step away! Step away from him! Officers! Step away from him! Get away from the flamethrowers! Green! Hands up!
Oh hell!
My gun! Hands up, Green! Hands up! Wait, what is he doing?
Nope!
Oh my god!